Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode of this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. So they have like the regular ones, that's like the original one like these. But the one that we have right here is a 4 times stronger one that is a Durafoam, which is pretty awesome. So I never used it before and I saw like a huge hype for this, so I wanted to test it out and see when it actually works. So when we look at the back of the packaging itself, you guys can see that they have a bunch of different types of the products right here. So this original one, there's an extra durable one, which is what we have. There's a kitchen one, there's a bath one. But I'm pretty sure regardless of which one you guys get, all of them does work pretty well. But let's actually open up and see what the product looks like and what comes in the package first. Alright, so when you open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So the one that we got right here, the 4-pad one, there are some that only has 2, some of them has 10, and the list goes on. So when you take it out, this is basically what it looks like, as you can see. So you can see it's one whole piece, and in this one whole piece, there's 4 of them. So if I try to break it up, you guys can see that it starts dividing itself. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the material itself feels really nice. And basically all you guys need to do to use the product itself is just to wet it, and then you just need to squeeze it out, and then you can start wiping it and cleaning wherever surface you want to use it for. So another thing that I do want to mention about this product is the fact that if you guys want to reuse it, you definitely can. You guys can use it up to a certain extent. So it depends on your job that you're planning to use this for. So if it's like a large job that you have to clean a lot of stuff with, then most likely one of these is not reusable. But if you guys are doing like a small job, just like a small little area just to clean it here and there, you can definitely reuse it. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's actually go test it out and see how it works and when it actually works first. And we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I'm going to peel one of them out. So just like that. And we save the rest for next time. Alright, so what you guys want to do right now is turn on the water, and then you guys just want to soak it in water and then squeeze it out, and you guys start using it. And then you guys want to squeeze it. So just like that. And now we can start using it. Alright, so you can see the stains right here on the wall. So I'm going to use it to scrub it and see when it actually works. Alright. So you can see that comes off really easily. And I'm barely using any force to kind of scrub it, and it actually works really well, if I can see. And this is basically what it looks like afterward once you guys finish scrubbing that part off. And I believe you guys also use it on these as well. Let's try it out. Yep. So you can see that even on these little marks right here that's stuck in between like the shower panels or whatever this is called right here, it comes off really easy as well. Alright, so you can see the damage right there. So the product itself does work, if you can see. Alright, so you can see that this white part right here is the clean part right here, and this is all the nasty part. So you just need to use this right here to kind of scrub it a little bit. You can see that actually comes off really easily. You just have to keep scrubbing a few times, and it becomes white eventually, which is what it's supposed to be. Alright. So you can see all the dirty stuff coming off right there. So you just have to keep doing that and keep scrubbing it to fully clean it out. So you can see how dirty it is here compared to here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that it actually works, and I'm actually quite shocked of how well it works. I read a lot of good reviews and a lot of bad reviews, so I was kind of like iffy about trying it, but I'm really glad that I did. But now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are having trouble like cleaning certain surfaces or whatever, then these are definitely really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. It definitely helps this video and channel out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.